Hello, and this is my review of the Ultrasabers Scorpion, which I just recently purchased here, and I got it about 2 or 3 days ago. And as you can see here, a very pretty, very immaculate looking saber already. So, taking a closer look at it here, I do have some of the different features we can go over real quick. I do have the spiked hilt, the CoverTech clip, and the in-hilt recharge port. As you can just see, kind of looking over it, it is very well crafted, very immaculate, very high craftsmanship used throughout the entire saber. It is very solid. There's no shaking, there's no loose parts, there's nothing that moves or anything like that throughout the entire saber. Very solid, very durable. It's a very heavy, hefty saber. Definitely used for a two-handed grip. As you can see, just gripping it with one hand there, I have a lot of hilt left over. So I would definitely recommend using a two-handed grip to use the saber. The claw here is very solid. You can pick up the entire saber, kind of shake it, rattle it around, and it's not going anywhere. It doesn't move at all. Very solid, very well crafted. Nice flanged emitter here. Nice windows. And the other windows right there on the ultra heavy grade blade here. I did go with the pointed tip on this as well, just because I like the look of the pointed rather than the rounded tips. I think it adds a little sinister something to the look of the blade overall. So, I have the Guardian Blue with the silver illuminated AV switch. And if I had to point out anything wrong with the entire saber over the entire thing, probably be this right here. As you can see, the AV switch is not centered in this hole. I am a little OCD, and so I definitely noticed this, but if you're not, it's not something that's gonna, detract from the overall value of the saber or the craftsmanship. It's just closer on this side than it is on that side. Minor thing, not a big deal. There's no scratches, no blemishes, nothing across the entire saber. Have a couple nice grip points here. You have this part here, these nice grip rings, and you have this part down here with these nice grip rings. Very solid. They provide very good grip, so when you're swinging the saber around, hand isn't going to go sliding off. And of course, you have these two little kind of vents here where you can kind of see through to the pattern underneath, which is a very nice slanted looking design. And it also provides a little bit of extra grip if you're using the middle of the saber to grip the saber out. So, all that being said, go ahead and power the saber on so you can see the color and hear the sound. So like I said, I got this about 3 days ago. I've not charged it since then, and it is still very bright. It's still very loud. It's holding its charge extremely well. Very excited about that because the last saber I had some charging issues, but we're over that now because this one is amazing. So, as you can tell, the blade is very bright all the way down until we get to the tip. Another little kind of issue that I have with this is this dark section right here in between the blade end and the blade tip. Also not a big deal, not something that detracts from the value of the blade. Just a small thing that you can kind of see in the aesthetics of it that do bother me just a tiny bit, but it's alright. So like I say, you got the windows and the emitter here, and the other little kind of vented through here, which just add a nice little flare to the overall saber, and then the silver illuminated switch, and as you can hear, that nice obsidian sound. Very high quality saber. I am really impressed with this. I really like it a lot. I'm very glad I went ahead and got this saber. I'm very excited about getting my next saber. I purchased another one. It hasn't arrived yet, but I'll also make a video review for it when it does. So, this is my first real big purchase from Ultrasabers, and I'm really excited to make my first video, let you guys know about it. So, here we are, my nice Scorpion saber. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.